So we're on a job in Dunbridge today, just changing the leadworks to this chimney stack. As you can see, I've already got the apron in and the step and cover flashings. This chimney was in a right state, honestly. I've never seen one this bad. There was no secret gutters in here, and the tiles were short. They stopped around here underneath the lead, so you only had kind of like 60mm cover with the cover flashing. And the fact that there was no secret gutters in here, as water was running down with the angle of creep, it does go sideways and goes underneath that lead, and it was just going straight inside. So now the front apron's in, secret gutters are in, step and cover flashing is in. But what we're going to do in today's video, and something I'll get asked for a lot in the comment section, is to make the back gutter. As you can see, this one, it's got quite a few things wrong with it. Please let me know in the comment section how many things you can notice. I mean, obviously we can see this lead doesn't extend up high enough on the layboard. We've got a split there, and it looks like, yep, this piece of lead has just been masticed on there as well. Honestly, I don't know how people can walk away from something like that. I really don't. But anyway, let's get this changed. Okay, so I've already got a piece of lead here cut to size. We need to bend up 135mm. Then it goes 300mm back to the pitch of the roof. We're cutting up the roof 300mm as well. Okay, that's the back gutter sat into position now. What I do now is I cut through that line there to that point there. That piece of lead will then fold round I then cut through at that angle there. That will go down, that will go down. And then I can weld on an individual ear. So let's get that ready now. Okay, so now I've made those cuts. That's what it looks like. I've also now made this ear. So that's now ready to be welded. Okay, as the wings welded in now, I've also now put a flashing through the back, pointed all the leadworks in and given this a coat of patination oil. So that is job done. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at slbleadworks. For inquiries you can email slbleadworks@gmail.com. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.